The A10 Tauern motorway in Austria is one of the key north-south links through the Alps. In one of numerous ecological schemes, Austria's motorway operator ASFINAG is implementing elaborate noise abatement measures on the A10 section running past the village of Zederhaus and surrounding nature park. To reduce the impact of the rising traffic volumes, the motorway section is being enclosed in a 1.545 km long cut and cover tunnel. In response to the tunnel waterproofing specification, Husker developed the infiltration-proof double membrane system to replace the previously specified solution. The major disadvantage of the previous system was that any leakages would have allowed the uncontrolled migration of water over the tunnel concrete below the membrane. Water would have spread freely within the water stop compartments, with large-scale structural damage as a possible consequence. Husker's infiltration-proof double membrane has now permanently eliminated this risk. The adopted solution involves the placement of fill material in the trapezoidal gap between the tunnel tubes prior to the start of waterproofing, so as to create a single integral profile that embraces both tubes. The resulting crossfalls ensure that the water drains off easily. Elimination of the need for water stop compartments also helps to achieve a far better concrete quality. The first component of the double membrane, installed directly on the concrete surface, is the Tectoseal Clay 5000 Plus geosynthetic clay liner, a highly developed, perfectly matched geocomposite that consists of extremely robust geosynthetics containing granulated sodium bentonite. Installation is straightforward. Single 34.5 meter long strips of liner are wrapped with side overlaps around the circumference of the entire structure. The factory-applied bentonite edge layer ensures that the overlaps remain watertight, even in steeper areas. Tectoseal Clay 5000 Plus creates a continuous, homogeneous waterproof barrier with excellent swelling and self-healing properties. Thanks to the direct contact pressure with the concrete, these properties prevent the uncontrolled spread of water over the concrete surface. The second system component, a PEHD polymer membrane, also supplied in 34.5 meter long strips, is installed directly over the geosynthetic clay liner. Here too, the use of custom fabricated sheets supplied in rows simplifies and speeds up installation. Jointing is straightforward. The individual polymer membrane sheets are lapped and machine welded to produce a testable hot wedge double seam. All weld seams are perpendicular to the longitudinal tunnel axis and can be readily tested using compressed air. In case of any leakages in the polymer membrane, the Tectoseal Clay geosynthetic clay liner serves as a reliable second line of defense, thereby offering double protection. To protect the waterproofing system while facilitating the hydrostatic pressure-free drainage of precipitation, a three-layer geocomposite, comprising two outer non-wovens, each with 200 grams per square meter, and an inner compression-resistant PEHD drainage unit, is additionally installed directly over the double membrane. Upon completion of the waterproofing works, the entire cut and cover tunnel will be covered over with some 260,000 cubic meters of soil and vegetation. For the population of Zederhaus, the motorway enclosure scheme and resulting reduction in noise emissions will result in a significant improvement in the quality of life. We are proud to have contributed to this project.